Welcome to Roam Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links from this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the product. In this video, we're diving into Surfshark, found at surfshark.com. Surfshark is a VPN service that offers a compelling mix of features and affordability. It allows you to browse the internet privately and securely by masking your IP address and encrypting your internet traffic. This added layer of security helps protect your online activity from prying eyes, whether it's hackers on public Wi-Fi or even your own internet service provider. One of Surfshark's standout features is its unlimited simultaneous connections, meaning you can protect all of your devices, phones, laptops, tablets, even your smart TV, with just one subscription. This makes it a great value for families or individuals with multiple devices. They also offer advanced security features like a kill switch, which cuts off your internet connection if your VPN drops, ensuring your data remains protected. Plus, Surfshark boasts a strict no-logs policy, meaning they don't track your online activity. They offer servers in a wide range of countries, allowing you to access geo-restricted content, like streaming services or websites only available in specific regions. Whether you're concerned about online privacy, accessing content from around the world, or just want an extra layer of security while browsing, Surfshark presents a very attractive option in the competitive VPN landscape. They often run special deals and promotions, so it's worth checking their website for the latest offers. Remember, a secure internet experience is crucial in today's digital world, and using a VPN like Surfshark is a significant step in the right direction. So, head over to surfshark.com to explore their features and pricing options in more detail. You can find the link conveniently placed in the description below.